I interview you? Can I interview you? Yes, I can. Thank you. I wanna ask you about some questions. What is your best quality?
Best quality?
Quality.
Quality?
Your
Quality about
Bahasa
what?
Indonesia.
yeah, you can speak what? Are you good at what?
Oh.
You good at play what? Play ping pong or what?
Oh. My quality is uh, sports.
You good at sports?
Yes.
Thank you. Tanya lagi. Apa sini?
Do you have any pets at home?
Okay? No. My sister
Oh, your
has
sister.
a cat.
What is your dream for the
55 cat. She's this is what? That's it.
sister?
Yeah, my sister.
Do you have
Habit? No.
No. Okay. What is your dream for the future?
Dream.
Dream.
Oh. I think I have.
You want to have?
I want to. Oh, my dream is I want to reach.
Okay. Good dream.
Reach.
how many siblings?
Dreams.
Saudara in bahasa.
Oh. I have three siblings, three brothers and one
What is
sister.
your hobby?
What?
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing table tennis.
Okay. Have you ever been abroad? Ke luar negeri?
Oh, I don't. Not yet.
You never been abroad?
No,
Okay.
not yet.
What is your favorite sport?
Table tennis.
What is your favorite cartoon character?
Cartoon. Tom and Jerry.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Tom and Jerry.
Would you prefer use Facebook or Twitter?
I have Facebook.
No. Would you? Hey,
Oh,
you have to
yes.
choose. You prefer Facebook or Twitter?
Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
What next?
What is your favorite place?
Place for touring or traveling?
Yeah.
Bali.
Bali. Okay.
Bali.
What makes you feel happy?
What activity makes you feel happy?
Oh, I
Maybe
feel
play what or
it's when I play table tennis.
okay.
Cameraman.
When is your birthday?
What?
When is your birthday?
My birthday August 26.
Okay. What year?
1966.
Okay.
Yes. So,
What is the latest news you watch or talk?
Kompas.
No.
Kabar
What is the
paling
latest?
baru.
Kabar paling baru.
Oh,
You heard or you watch in television?
in elected of president.
Okay.
President.
President election.
Yeah, president election.
When was the last time you went to a cinema?
Cinema. Bioskop.
Maybe 3 months
Ago.
ago.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
For coming hour to interview you. Thank you.